Yes, good morning to everyone. How are you? I hope all will be well. Today we are going to start exercise 4, chapter 4, multiplication. Okay? Yes, student. In our previous lecture, I told to you 3 type of property. Do you know? Like this student, I am telling again. If we multiply any digit by 1, we will get itself. Got it? Next property is, if we multiply 0 by any number, we will get 0. Second property, and third property is, suppose I have given that type of digit. Got it, student? First of all, listen, keep things in your mind. I have given that type of digit. Listen, 7 8 is 56. Okay? If I change that order, suppose I write 8 here and 7 here, that also we will get 56. Okay? Listen, student. If we change digit, अगर हम किसी भी डिजिट को चेंज करते हैं तो हमारा प्रोडक्ट कभी भी चेंज नहीं होता, हमारा आंसर कभी भी चेंज नहीं होता, आंसर हमेशा हमारा सेम ही होता है. दैट इज योर थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी. फर्स्ट, सेकंड एंड थर्ड. गॉट इट स्टूडेंट? इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई 1 by any number, we will get itself. If we multiply 0 by any number, we will get 0. And if we multiply any digit like this, I have given example 7 multiplied by 8, what will you get? 56. और if I change this order, अगर हम इस order को change करते हैं तो भी हमारा आंसर 56 ही होगा. ऑर्डर को चेंज करने पर भी, फैक्टर को अगर हम चेंज कर भी देते हैं तो भी हमारा प्रोडक्ट, हमेशा प्रोडक्ट का आंसर सेम होता है, प्रोडक्ट कभी भी चेंज नहीं होता. गॉट इट? ओके. टुडे आई एम टेलिंग अबाउट exercise. We will practice of exercise 4. Okay, I have taken one example. Multiply 7 by 4. Okay, multiply 7 by 4. Listen, first of all, listen. 7 is your ones number. We will put ones down side. Okay, next, this is your ones upper side, and we will say 7 multiplicand. Okay, and we will put 4 from downside of 7. That is, listen, this is multiplier. Listen, okay, and that is multiplicand. Okay, now we will put multiplication sign. We will do multiply with digit with each other. Okay, listen. So, like this, you can speak table of 7 and you can speak table of 4. Okay, if we speak table of 4, what will you get? We will get, yes, tell me, 28. Okay, that is your product. Product is your answer. Okay, now we will write here 7, then multiply and 4. Yes, your answer is, tell me, 28. Now the product of 7 and 4 is 28. Got it, student? Okay, okay, I will tell you one more example. Suppose I write here 5 and here 6. Okay, again we will put 5 upper side and we will put 6 downside. Okay, next, I told to you 5 is your multiplicand and 6 is your multiplier. Yes, we will speak, yeah, you can speak table of 5 till 6 and you can speak table of 6 till 5. So we will speak table of 6 till 5. Yes, 6 5s are 30. Yes, 30 is your product. Like this, 30 is your answer. Now we will put here 5 and we will put here 6. Got it? And next, your answer is 30. Your product is 30. The product of, listen, 5 and 6 is 30. Got it? Okay. Now we will discuss about exercise 4. Yes, listen. We will speak table of 2 till 5. Okay. Yes, speak of 2 5s are 10 and you can speak table of 5 till 2. Your answer is 10. Next, you will speak table of 3 till 7. Yes, your answer is 21. Okay, next, we will speak table of 2 till 8. Your answer is 16. Yes, we will speak table of 6 till 5. Tell me 30. And we will speak 0 table. So your answer is, tell me, if we multiply any digit by 0, what will you get? You will get 0. That is also 0 properties. Next one is, we will speak table of 5 till 4. Yes, your answer is 20. We will speak table of 4 till 9. Yes, your answer is 36. And we will speak table of 7 till 6. Yes, tell me 42. Yes, this is your exercise 6. Okay, we will talk about exercise 5. Exercise 5. Yes, solve the following. Yes, I have given some question. Listen, I am giving you yes. Okay, you have to do in your notebook exercise 4, okay, and 5 also. Okay, listen, I will tell you exercise 5, okay. Solve the following. Yes student, I have taken, suppose I have taken one example, मैंने लिया one example, okay, that type. Yes, 13 is your tens number, so we put from ones number ones downside, tens number tens downside, okay, and 2 is your ones number, so we will put ones number from ones downside. Now again we will speak table. Yes, we will speak table of 2 till 3. Yes, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. Yes, 6 is your ones number, so we will not put carry, only we will write answer, so your answer is 6. Okay, we have taken turn of that. Ab now we will take turn of 1. We will speak table of 2 till 1. 2 1 ja 2. So here answer is 2. Got it? Next, I will tell you one more example. Suppose I have taken 24 multiply by 2. Okay? Yes. Same, we will speak table of 2 till 4. Speak up. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8. So now listen student, 8 is your ones number, so we will not put carry, okay, so we will write answer 8. Now we will take turn of 2. 2 2 ja 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, so 4 is your also ones number, so we will put here. Got it student? Listen, you are to do exercise 4 and exercise 5 in your fair notebook, okay, or you have to learn table also 2 to 15. Got it student? Thank you and have a nice day.